Hello, this is Miss Andrea, and I am bringing you a project today on fireflies. You might know them as lightning bugs, but they are so magical. When I was a kid, I used to see the lightning bugs in the field, and I was just amazed by them. I don't see so many anymore because they're losing a lot of their habitat. But if you're lucky enough to see one, they have a little chemical inside of them that mixes with oxygen and allows them to glow. They're one of the few animals that's able to do that. So the chemical inside of them is actually very rare. It's called luciferin and luciferase. And with that, combined with the oxygen and the protein, they're able to make light. So it's really, really exciting. And actually, scientists are using those chemicals to try to solve some of our medical problems like cancer and multiple sclerosis and even heart attacks. And so lightning bugs are very beneficial. And they're just so darn cute, aren't they? With their little glowy lights. Do you know that lightning bugs, fireflies, are not actually bugs? They are beetles. And there's over 2,000 different species. And if you're lucky enough to see them, what you're looking at in a field full of fireflies is probably not even just one type. It's several different. So they are insects. They have 6 legs and antennas. And this is not really like accurate to the way that a lightning bug looks, but I think it's close enough because it's cute. And if we make them, it'll remind us how important it is that we save their habitat. So I'm going to show you how to make this. It's a very simple. All you'll need is an Easter egg. You can have googly eyes, or you can draw your own using a marker, a permanent marker, or you can paste something on there. So there's all kinds of ways. You could put beads for the eyes, a marker for the little smile, and then some pipe cleaners, some scissors, and then you're going to want to make some wings, so you can use fabric or foam paper or even foil. Foil is kind of nice because it shines off the light. The last thing that you'll need is a little tea candle, one of the electric kind, and so you turn it on and off. And that's basically it. These are very exciting little creatures. In fact, did you know when the lightning bugs are lighting up, they're actually flirting? So a lightning bug, the male lightning bug goes blink, blink, blinkety blink. And then a female looks at that and goes, I like that signal. So she'll go back, blink, blink, blinkety blink. They're flirting. And he says, oh, there she is. And he'll go and fly over to her. So when you see the fireflies, they're actually flirting. Yeah, that is still cute. So you're going to take your egg, and I would say you need actually adult help with this because you're either going to use hot glue or you're going to use some sharp instruments. And so you need an adult to help you with this part. But you can either glue the legs on, or you can do what I did, which was I made one piece, took something, this is an awl, but you can use a nail, and I poked holes, 2 holes on each side on the back, and 4 holes on the front for my legs, so I could have 3 pairs of legs. Now this could be the back, or this could be the back. I made this the back on mine. It might be easier to make it this way. And then I just ran my pipe cleaner through the both holes so that it's one piece, and then I just shaped my legs, and I did that for all 6 of them. Then I did the same thing for the front. I took my sharp instrument and I made 2 holes, and I ran my pipe cleaner through there. Then I just added a couple of eyes. Last, I put my little light, and you don't want to glue that in case you have to replace it, and also because you need to be able to, you don't want to glue this part because you want to be able to open it and close it. And then the last thing, you can leave it like that. It's pretty cute like that. Or you can put some wings on it, because the beetles have a hard cover that covers the wings. The hard cover moves out of the way, and then they're able to fly. And so I made some examples of like what your wings might look like. So if you did 2 of these, you could put wings on the back here, or you could put your foil. And what I did with mine is I just kind of, I made it a little thicker here, and then I would just hot glue it on and put 2 of those on there. And so you can end up with some really cute firefly. When you're in your room, you're about to go to bed, you can turn on the Firefly for a little while and watch it. So these are very cute. If you do see any in nature and you catch them, make sure that your jar has air holes for them, and make sure that you release them back, because fireflies are disappearing. And so we want to make sure that we treat them very respectfully and that we're careful with their habitat. They like rotting wood, and they like to be around streams. And the problem for fireflies, so many houses, we're building over their habitat, and they like to go back where they're born every year. So fireflies spend a couple of years as larvae before they actually become the beetle stage, and then they're just for a couple of weeks as an actual firefly. So spend most of their life as larvae, eating the animals on the ground like worms and grubs and things like that. So they're pretty fierce. They're cute, but they're fierce. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you do the little firefly. If not, at least you have learned about fireflies today. This is Miss Andrea signing out.